Deep nose cleaning for sebaceous filaments. Visible pore transformation. At first glance, the nose looks normal, but under a macro lens, a different story appears. Hundreds of pores, tiny oil-filled filaments, layers of buildup hiding in plain sight. Today's treatment focuses on a complete deep nose cleaning for sebaceous filaments and a visible pore transformation. Why the nose collects more oil. The nose is one of the oiliest areas of the face. Its pores work around the clock to move sebum to the surface. When oil production increases, sebaceous filaments become more visible. The hidden texture problem. Most people notice the dots. What they don't notice is the texture. As oil accumulates, the skin can appear rougher, shinier, more congested. Step 1. Deep cleansing preparation. A complete cleanse removes surface oil and prepares the pores for treatment. Step 2. Steam activation. Warm steam softens compact oil inside the pores. This helps loosen buildup before extraction begins. Step 3. Sebaceous filaments removal. The extraction process begins. One pore after another, oil-filled filaments start releasing from deep inside the nose. Step 4. Pore pressure release. As congestion is removed, the skin starts looking cleaner and more refined. The visible dots become less noticeable. Step 5. Transformation reveal. The difference becomes clear. The pores appear. Heavy checkmark cleaner. Heavy checkmark less congested. Heavy checkmark more uniform. Step 6. Recovery skin refresh. A calming treatment helps soothe the skin and complete the transformation. Final results. Before, visible sebaceous filaments, oily pore congestion, uneven texture. After, cleaner looking pores, smoother skin surface, refreshed appearance. Final message. Sebaceous filaments are a normal part of healthy skin. The goal isn't to remove them forever, it's to keep pores looking cleaner, smoother, and less congested. If you enjoyed this deep nose cleaning for sebaceous filaments and visible pore transformation, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more pore cleaning videos, skincare transformations, and satisfying extraction content.